Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Office 2016 on your Windows 10 computer, and you can have it fully activated as well. So first of all, you need the three files that I'm going to leave the link down in description. So you download them, and two of them are in zipped files, so you unzip them using the password as well included down in description to download it. Once you do that, go ahead and install your Microsoft Office as shown here. So this one here, just install it. It may take a bit of time, depends on your internet, because it has to download some files from the internet. Once it's installed, the next step is to activate it. So to activate it, first of all, you need to disable the virus protection or live virus and threat protection as shown here. So you go to manage, so under where it says virus and threat protection settings, so manage the setting and make sure that the real-time protection is off. If I have it on, for instance, this file here will disappear, so make sure it's off. Once it's off, then go ahead and install this file in your computer, and like this. So you install it the same usual. Okay, you install it, and it should activate your Office. I'm going to show you mine here. I always choose just the Excel, PowerPoint and Word, and I'm going to show you that it's fully activated. If I go to account, so Office, it's fully activated, so product activated. So that's it, guys. So if you have any problem with this thing, please drop a comment below, and I'm willing to help. Thank you.